Phoenix, Arizona, November 19th, 2025.
Mira, un mar de hielo. Toda la calle tiene hielo.
After rain speckled the valley on Wednesday morning, a second round of rain splattered across the valley and brought crackling thunder, flashing lightning, and heavy hail with it. The National Weather Service, NWS, warned that a severe storm was moving into Metro Phoenix around 4 p.m. It was especially severe in the West Valley, according to Sean Benedict, a meteorologist with the NWS Phoenix office. In the West Valley, we have a pretty strong to severe thunderstorm moving through, Benedict told KTAR News 92.3 FM around 5 p.m. The main impact has been a lot of accumulating small hail and very intense rainfall, and so, we've been seeing some videos of streets and even highways with accumulated hail on the road causing slowdowns. It almost looks like snow, but it's not snow. It's just hail, Benedict said.
Hey, bro, I'm going home. I'm like, it's raining kind of hard, ain't it? Nigga, that's hail. Nigga, all this is hail.
But, yeah, a pretty intense storm moving through the West Valley at the moment. Large swaths of the West Valley were also issued a severe thunderstorm warning, with winds of up to 50 miles per hour and quarter-sized hail in Sun City, Peoria, Glendale, and Tolleson. There's still a few other storms down to the southwest, mainly moving towards the west and central part of the Phoenix area. One of those storms started to make its way into the southeast valley near the Ahwatukee area around 6:16 p.m. It dropped hail on Loop 202, South Mountain Freeway near 24th Street. NWS radar then showed the storm moving north through the Tempe and Scottsdale area. The Weather Authority said the storm was moving over the Fountain Hills area around 7:25 p.m. and was likely to continue producing hail. The Weather Service warned half-inch hail and wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour were possible. Earlier, locals were advised that scattered showers and storms were possible on Tuesday afternoon. Footage shared by X-User shows heavy rain and hail lashing parked cars amid the weather event. The heavy hail left yards covered in piles of ice, and streets were strewn with streams of rainwater mixed with small hail.
What in the world? Like, yo. Oh my God.
At 5:12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Tolleson, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour, radar indicated. Hazards include quarter-size hail. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Phoenix, Glendale, Avondale, Paradise Valley, Tolleson, Sun City, Litchfield Park, Glendale Sports Complex, Arizona State Fairgrounds, downtown Peoria, Arrowhead Mall, downtown Glendale, Metro Center, and Camelback Ranch. This includes the following highways: AZ Interstate 10 between mile markers 132 and 144. AZ Interstate 17 between mile markers 200 and 211. AZ Route 51 between mile markers 2 and 6.
Мы не знаем, что это такое, но тут какая-то вот такая вот история.
As of 7:45 p.m., SRP is reporting that more than 1,200 customers are without power. At one point, more than 6,000 SRP customers were without power. As of 7:45 p.m., APS is reporting that more than 300 customers are without power. Hail pummeled a parking lot in Tempe, Arizona, on Tuesday, November 18th, as the National Weather Service issued a special weather statement. Flash flood warnings were issued for multiple parts of the valley as the storms moved through, including Glendale, Peoria, Avondale, Sun City, Anthem, New River, and Rock Springs. Additionally, a flood watch is in effect for most of Yavapai County and northwestern Maricopa County through Wednesday evening, and for northeastern Maricopa County through Thursday morning. Benedict advised drivers to slow down if they see any flooded roads. The FAA has issued a ground stop at Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport because of the thunderstorms. It is currently set to expire at 6 p.m., but that could be extended. The storm which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limits, and no longer poses an immediate threat to life or property. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. However, small hail, gusty winds, and heavy rain are still possible with this thunderstorm. Because of Tuesday's rain, the ground is saturated, and any additional rainfall could lead to flooding. Temperatures will stay in the mid-60s for the next few days, until the 70s return next week with drier conditions. 1 to 4 inches of rain above 7,000 feet is possible through Thursday. Then, another system moves into the state right on the heels of this storm. Another Pacific weather system will move eastward toward our region Thursday night, bringing more moisture into the state and increasing rain chances in western Arizona early Friday morning. For the high country, snow levels will drop to around 6,500 feet through Thursday, with another 1-2 possible for areas like Flagstaff. Heavier accumulations are possible in eastern Arizona from the rim to the White Mountains as the system shifts east overnight.